Okay, ding, round two. You guys quit throwing like girls. Keep your hands up, Matthew. As you go in there, keep your hands up. There you go. Get inside and then throw. Get inside close, then throw, Matthew. Keep your hands up. There you go. Come here.
Okay, come over here, guys.
Come over here. Keep your hands up, Matthew. Keep your hands up. Hands up the whole time. Okay, hold on. Okay.